How to identify the iPhone country of origin. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are curious about your origin of the iPhone you own, then here is how you can find it. So without any ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to check for the model number. In order to get it, head over to the settings and then go to general. Tap on about and then copy your model number. Once that is done, let's head over to your Google or any of the browser and search for model regions. You can even type in iPhone country and then iPhone wiki. Here you will see the model regions. All devices have the model number that looks similar to the one given on screen. The last two letters following by the number is the country code. So you can check for your model number, check for the country code and then scroll down to find the code. Once you have found the code, you can find the region itself. So there you go. That easily you can find about the origin of your iPhone. For another way, you can check the back of the box or SIM tree. The box label shows designed by Apple and assembled in the country. This tells you the assembly location. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.